Now that your template is open in Canva, it's time to make it truly your own. Start by editing the text. Click on any text box to replace the placeholder content with your own words. Focus on making each slide clear and concise, while adjusting font styles, sizes, and colors to match the overall theme of your presentation. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fonts and color combinations, but always keep readability in mind. You want your audience to easily follow along without any distractions. Next, enhance your slides with Canva's rich library of elements. Add images, icons, or charts that complement your message and make your slides more visually appealing. Try incorporating shapes, lines, or subtle backgrounds to create contrast and emphasis where needed. You can even layer multiple elements to add depth and dimension to your design. Small touches like these can dramatically improve the professionalism of your slides. Pay attention to alignment and spacing. Use Canva's grid and alignment tools to ensure that everything looks clean and balanced. Consistency is key. Try to maintain a uniform style across all slides, including fonts, colors, and element placement. This will make your presentation look polished and cohesive. Don't forget to highlight important points or call to action statements. You can use bold text, icons, or subtle animations to guide your audience's attention to key messages. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it easy to try different layouts and adjustments until everything looks just right. As you make these edits, take a moment to step back and preview your slides. See how each element works together and make sure your content flows smoothly from one slide to the next. By carefully customizing your text, visuals, and overall layout, you're transforming a simple template into a professional and engaging presentation that truly reflects your style and message. Now that your template is open in Canva, it's time to make it truly your own.